Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we've made it to June the 8th of 2025. It is the day number 60 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. All right, guys. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here, guys, we are shooting a 365-day challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank. Okay. And then we are using the My Lead Gen Secret system to create a full-time income. We're sending out these emails to see if we can make a full-time income with this method. All right, guys. So I would recommend you guys going back to day number one of this video so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And then you guys can go ahead and get started if you guys would like to go ahead and get started today. Okay. Now, I did leave a link below this video right here where it says tiny URL slash MLGS True Freedom. Okay, click on this link. Okay, guys, it's going to take you to the My Legion Secret System, and this is where you guys can get started and you can get started working and sending out emails. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. All right. So today if you guys are new to this video, if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, you have no idea what's going on. My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day that you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, and now what differentiates that whether you get 100 or 200 is how many email accounts that you have. Okay, so after you guys get signed up at the link below, you guys can go out and get multiple accounts of My Legion Secret System. That way, you guys can have thousands of people coming in every single month. Okay. Now, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then a monthly bill of $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. So, pretty much, guys, this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay, you're going to have these tabs going across the top here. Okay, now the tab that you're going to be using the most is going to be this mailing system, and this is where we're going to send out our emails at every single day. So let's go ahead and click on select all. I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system, guys. All right, so the offer that we're going to be using on ClickBank is called Social Sales Rep. Okay, which is this offer right here. And this is by Live Chat Jobs on ClickBank. So if you go to the e-business, e-marketing, this should be one of the top performing offers on ClickBank. All right. So if you go to this offer, they do have free email swipes that we're going to use. Okay. For the sake of this video, we're just going to use the free ones that they have, guys. So just click on email swipes. Okay. Now, once you go to email swipes, guys, there's going to be 20 different emails that we're going to be able to use, okay, to send out to our prospects. Okay, now after you get down to 20, you can hop right back up to email one, and then you can go down to 20 again. All right, now also what we're going to do in this video series is we're going to take these emails and we're going to go over to chat gpt, and we're just going to rewrite these emails. That way they're different, they're tailored to you, and they're going to be different from everything else. Okay, so I recommend doing that. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that later. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to use the free email swipes that the vendor has for us. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab an email. We're going to do email number 14 today. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the subject line. Do you enjoy talking to people? Question mark. Okay, we're just going to come down here, Control V. Okay, we're going to put that in there, and then we're going to come down here to the mailing system. I've already sent out my email today, guys, but we're going to take the body of this text right here. Okay, I'm just going to take the body of it, just grab all of it, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then we want to Control V, right? Super easy to do. We're going to take out signature where it says signature, and we're going to put in either your name or management, whichever one you guys choose. Okay. And then right here it says, "Hey, you want to chat?" Okay, everything looks good. Now, where you see the bold text where it says like "click here to apply," "find out here," what you want to do is you want to make that a clickable link. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just grab the whole sentence, and I want to make that a clickable link. Okay, if you do that, all you gotta do is go over here to the link tab, and then underneath every email, okay, in the mailing set, I mean in the offer page, there's going to be a affiliate link below every email. Okay. So all we got to do is grab that link, and we're going to come back over here and we're going to Control V. Okay. And we're just going to do that. And then we're going to come back here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. We're going to take that out. Okay. And we're going to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. All right. So that's how you do it. What that does, it turns that into a clickable link. Okay. And then we're going to come here and we're going to go to 18 and we want to either make it 16 or 18 to make this a bigger email. So that way, when our prospects are looking at it, it's easy to read. Now down here, one's going to say submit now and one's going to say preview. You want to click on preview. That way you can preview this email, guys, to make sure everything looks good and make sure everything works in the link. Okay. So pretty much what you would do is you would click on this email. And you want to click on the link in the email and you want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate link. Okay. That's very important that it has your affiliate link in the URL. Okay. So you want to make sure that everything shows up and is going to your page. After you do that, you want to click on send now. Okay. What that does, it's going to send this email out to thousands of people. Okay. And right now in this account, we have 175,000. Okay. So one email is going to go out to all of those people. And then we're going to be able to get in front of all those people. They're going to be able to see our offer. Okay. And we're going to be able to make money. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. Now, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything, guys, because I don't know if you're going to go send out emails every single day. Okay. I don't know if you're going to get multiple accounts to do that. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. You don't have to actually go out and get 8, but I would at least recommend at least 3, okay, or 5 accounts is going to be the sweet spot. And then once you have those accounts, you're going to be able to send out emails and then you're going to be able to see results a whole lot faster. Okay. Now, we have made it. Like I said, we have made it to day number 60 of this email. Okay. Which is really good. So that means we've pretty much completed 2 months of this offer. Okay. And like, if you guys, have not been watching these videos, go back to the previous videos. You're going to see the sales that we've made, and you're going to be able to see how much money we've made in this method so far. Okay. But we do have 365 days. We have a lot more time to go. Okay. We got 10 more months to go of this. Okay. And there's going to be a lot of good stuff that's going to be happening during that time. So that's it, guys. I wanted to show you guys how to send out an email. It's super easy to do. If you guys know how to send out an email in Gmail or Yahoo, whatever platform that you use, if you know how to do that, then you can do this, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is a network platform that you guys can go to. It's free to get started. It doesn't cost you anything. They have different offers that you can promote, whether that's in the health and fitness or the make money online or spirituality niche or anything like that. The niche that we are in is going to be the business opportunity niche, okay, which is going to be the e-business, e-marketing niche, okay? So you would pretty much go to that niche, okay? So you would go to accounts, and then you're going to go to your nickname, okay? And then you're going to go over here to marketplace at the top. Okay. E-business, e-marketing is the section. These are the offers that work best with My Legion Secret System. You want to come down here and you want to start promoting either live chat jobs, paid online writing jobs. And then also you have, let's see, get paid to use Facebook, write out reviews. There's different offers that you guys can come in and promote. But the one that we're promoting right now is this live chat jobs, guys. So you would just pretty much click on the affiliate tab, and it'll take you over here. And then this is where you're going to be able to find those emails, and you're going to be able to send those emails out to the prospect. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. So we sent out an email last night. So let's go ahead and see how we did. Let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Today is June the 8th of 2025. We did get over 942 hops, 668 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to our brand new IP addresses that came to our website. We got 3 order form impressions and 1 unique order form impression. So pretty much somebody went to the checkout page, they whipped out their wallet, they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today. Okay. But we did get a couple of sales these last few days. I believe we got a sale the day before yesterday that should be possibly paid out tomorrow, the next day, whichever one. Okay. And then also we're going to be looking for those rebills to come in that we got from last month. Okay, so that's it, guys. These are the results for today. We didn't get any sales the way we wanted to, and we didn't get any rebills. Okay, which is no biggie because I'm gonna be looking for initial sales this week. I think we're gonna have a pretty big week this week, and then also we're gonna have rebills coming in. So that's it, guys. I'm going to meet you guys back here. I'm going to cut this video short. I don't want to go too long today. I just wanted to come in and show you how to do stuff, how to send out an email, and how easy it is to get started with My Lead Gen Secret System. Okay, I showed you how to do that. And then I showed you the results from last night's email, okay, that we sent out. All right. But I did send out emails tonight. So I will come back here tomorrow to show you the results of yesterday's email or tonight's email, okay, and show you how we did. So I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.